Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, internet connected but no internet access fix. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Uncheck Client for Microsoft Networks and uncheck File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft Networks. Also uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Click OK and restart system. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter. Right-click your network adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Restart your computer. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, IPv4 space, reset. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter, click Uninstall Driver. Click Uninstall. Click Scan for hardware changes. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.